students, we were discussing milk products. The other day we discussed yogurt, we discussed butter, and we discussed a very important product which has a huge market value worldwide, and that was cheese. Okay, students, please learn the spellings and all properly of bacteria and all. They may come as fill in the blanks questions. See, whether you are preparing yogurt, whether you are preparing butter or cheese, a lot of cleanliness and sterilization is necessary. Why? Because the yogurt, cheese or butter is fermented with the help of bacteria, and due to that, bacteria can be easily attacked by viruses. Therefore, extreme cleanliness and sterilization is necessary while preparing milk products. I repeat, preparation of milk products requires extreme cleanliness and sterilization because they are prepared with the help of bacteria, and bacteria can be easily attacked by viruses. But nowadays what they do, we produce nowadays with the help of biotechnology, virus resistant bacteria are produced and various mutant varieties. Mutant म्हणजे genetic code मध्ये changes आणणं, that is called various mutant varieties of bacteria are produced, and that mutant varieties of bacteria help in avoiding unnecessary products which are produced during the production of cheese, butter or yogurt. I'll repeat, it requires the production of any milk product requires extreme sterilization and cleanliness. Reason? Because they are produced with the help of bacteria. Production of bacteria can be easily attacked by viruses. Therefore, nowadays various virus resistance म्हणजे prevent bacteria which cannot be attacked by viruses. असे virus resistant bacteria are produced and various mutant varieties. Mutant म्हणजे genetic combination मध्येच फरक आणलं, that is called mutant variety. एक genetic code असतो, त्या code मध्ये आता तुम्ही coding classes आणि ते करा, थोडंसं modification आणणं. That is with the help of biotechnology students. Various mutant varieties are produced which help in avoiding other products produced during the preparation of cheese or butter or even yogurt as well. This is one. Today whatever I am going to discuss is very important because it comes as a short note in your exams. And what is that? Probiotics. हल्ली मी टीव्ही मध्ये ऍड सुद्धा बघते ते प्रोबायोटिक ड्रिंक्सची. What is that? Concentrate. Probiotics are also milk products. Second, they contain active bacteria which are Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, okay, and Bifidobacterium bifidum असे बॅक्टेरिया ऍड केले जातात. I'll repeat, probiotic products are also milk products which contain active means what? जिवंत असलेले, which contain active bacteria in the form of Lactobacillus casei, Bifidobacterium bifidum and acidophilus. Okay, what this bacteria do? Point number 3. Students, what they do here? They improve the, we'll put it like this, they maintain the balance of microbes inside the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal किंवा intestinal microorganisms चा balance maintain करतात हे bacteria. How? By destroying the population of harmful bacteria, that is Clostridium, and increasing the population of useful bacteria. Okay, these probiotic products are available in the market in various forms like yogurt, ghatta dahi, corn syrup, sweet corn syrup, okay, meso soup म्हणून असते, which is not an Indian product, students. Okay, then there are pickles, lonchi, oils, you know, you are very much aware of oils. Then there is dark chocolate, which is probiotic, and then there is Socrate. Socrate means what? Socrate means cabbage pickle All these products are the probiotic products which are available in markets. Next point, why probiotic products are meeting with an increasing demand? Why they are day by day the demand is increasing? Why? Point number 1, they form a colony. Colony म्हणजे assembly. तुम्ही शाळेत कसे पीटीला किंवा असेंब्लीला उभे राहता ना, वैसे they form a colony of useful microbe inside the alimentary canal. Now what is alimentary canal? Which starts from mouth and ends to anus. Long tube like structure. Partly it is intestine, partly it is stomach, partly it is from heart it begins and all that. सगळी ही जी long लचक digestive system ची जी ट्यूब आहे, that is called alimentary canal. So what they do? Why the demand of probiotic products is increasing? Because they form a colony of useful microbes in the alimentary canal, control the other microbes and their metabolic activities. Improve resistance. Improve resistance म्हणजे काय? आपल्या पोटात जे काही इन्फेक्शन्स होतात ते प्रिव्हेंट होतात. दॅट इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रूव्ह रेजिस्टन्स अँड लोअर द इल इफेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू सबस्टेन्सेस produced during metabolic activities. Students, various digestive system, respiration ह्याच्यामध्ये काय काय असे products तयार होतात which may prove to be harmful to our body. So they help in lowering the ill effects of the products produced or the substances produced due to metabolic activities. This is one. Nowadays, one more very important point I would like to tell you. Students, viral attacks झाला बॉडीला, then the doctor gives us antibiotics. Antibiotics consume केल्यानंतर होतं काय? Some useful microbes which are there in our naturally available in our body, they become inactive. So this inactive microbes are made active again with the help of probiotics. Okay, where are they used? They are used in poultry and they are used in the treatment of diarrhea. Diarrhea is a dysentery form. So they are used in the treatment of diarrhea and in the treatment of poultry. That's it. This is probiotics. See what points you are going to remember. Probiotics are milk products containing active bacteria in the form of lactobacillus, okay, acidophilus, lactobacillus casei and bifidobacterium bifidum. Second point, they maintain the balance of intestinal microorganism by increasing the population of useful microbes and decreasing the population of harmful microbes like Clostridium. The probiotic products are available in the market in various forms, in the form of yogurt, kefir, Socrate, dark chocolate, corn syrup, miso soup, pickles, oils and even your artificial sweeteners and microalgae. Here they are available in the market in worldwide in variety of forms. Next, why they are on increasing demand? Because they form a colony of useful microbes in the alimentary canal. Increase, or we'll put it like this, and control the metabolic activities of other microbes. Next point, they control the metabolic activities of other microbes. They prevent they reduce the ill effects of substances produced due to metabolic activities, and also they improve the resistance. That's it. Next, students, nowadays what's happening is what happens, antibiotic consumption makes some useful microbes inactive. They are made active again with the help of probiotics. Probiotics are used in the treatment of diarrhea and in the treatment of poultry. Ends the job. Hey probiotic students, very very useful. तुम्ही ते ॲड्स बघा ना, शिल्पा शेट्टीची ॲड येते, याकुल्ट ड्रिंक का काय ते घेते and she does all sorts of exercise and all with her family. ते ॲड येते कसली, याकुल्ट, ते प्रोबायोटिक ड्रिंक आहे म्हणून. ओके, प्लीज डोंट कन्झ्युम इट अंटिल डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब यू. उगाच आपलं याकुल्ट म्हणून पीत बसलं आणि युजफुल कॉल नाही, नॉट नेसेसरी. आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये व्यवस्थित सगळं असतं जर कमी पडला तरच घ्यायचं असतं स्टुडंट्स, त्याच्यापेक्षा बॅलन्स डाएट खा, दॅट्स द बिग advantage. One thing. Next we'll go to a very important and a daily product in India as well as worldwide, and that is bread. Concentrate. Bread is produced from the flour of bread is generally produced from the flour म्हणजे पीठ of various cereals. Cereals म्हणजे काय? मैदा आला, कॉर्न म्हणतात, मैदा, तांदूळ आले, गहू आले, ओके, ह्याच्याने ब्रेड प्रोड्यूस. इवन सम kind of ragi also is used. Ragi bread is also there and all that. So bread is a product. Bread is a product produced worldwide with the help of flour of cereals. Point number 1. Point number 2. A very important yeast which is called baker's yeast is added. Bread, how is it prepared? Dough म्हणजे पीठ. Dough is prepared with the help of baker's yeast. Baker's yeast त्याचं नाव काय आहे? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. I'll repeat. Dough prepare केला जातो, पीठ मळलं जातं. Dough is prepared with the help of baker's yeast. What is the meaning of baker? What is the name of that baker's yeast? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. हा baker's yeast घातला जातो. After that, water, salt and other ingredients are added to flour. And that is how the dough is prepared. Dough म्हणजे पीठ मळलं जातं. Baker's yeast डालने का, water, salt and other ingredients. तुम्ही other ingredients, oil पण घालतात कोण कोण. And then the dough is prepared. फ्लावर मध्ये घालायचं, पाणी घालायचं, मीठ घालायचं, बेकर्स ईस्ट घालायचं and prepare the dough. कळलं? आलं लक्षात? पीठ मळून ठेवणं, मळलेलं पीठला डो म्हणतात, नुसतं पीठाला फ्लावर म्हणतात. Okay, so what I want to do? How you can prepare bread? Take flour, you add water, you add salt, you add baker's yeast which is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. हे मार्केट मध्ये मिळतं. ते घातलं, prepare the dough. Dough starts getting spongy. Reason? Because fermentation process starts. Fermentation of what? Fermentation of carbohydrates. Fermentation of carbohydrates begin with the help of these yeast which you have added, resulting in the formation of carbon dioxide and ethanol. Carbon dioxide released makes the bread spongy. फुसफुशीतपणा येतो त्याच्यात, असे होल्स कसे येतात and bread चांगला स्पॉन्जी होतो. ठीक आहे, it makes bread spongy. Ethanol and carbon dioxide released makes the bread spongy. Next, yeast is used in commercial bakery industry. Yeast used for commercial purposes contains, बघा yeast का घालायचा? Because yeast जे commercial purposes साठी वापरला जातो, it contains various useful nutrients in the form of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. म्हणजे एक ब्रेड खाल्ला की झालं, कळतंय? सगळं मिळालं तुम्हाला. So the yeast used for commercial purposes is in dry form and granular form. Granular समजतं, बोर्नव्हिटाचे कसे ग्रॅन्युल्स असतात तसे. So yeast used for commercial purposes in commercial bakery industry is in granular form and it is in dry form. Why yeast should be added? Because it increases the nutritive value of bread. How? Because it contains carbohydrates or it provides carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats and minerals. Minerals म्हणजे calcium, iron सगळं आलं त्याच्यात. ठीक आहे? And that is how the yeast has its importance and that is how the bread is prepared. Students, not only this, you know, vinegar, soya sauce तुम्ही जे खाता ते, then monosodium glutamate, that is which is called as Ajinomoto, which is used in Chinese food. You know, even they are produced by microbial fermentation. That's it. Are you okay? Repeat. Bread is prepared with the help of flour of various cereals. Point number 1. Dough is prepared by adding baker's yeast, water, salt and other products to flour. What is a baker's yeast? What is its biological name? It is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. the fermentation process begins. That is, carbohydrates present in the flour, they undergo fermentation to form carbon dioxide and ethanol. Carbon dioxide released makes the bread spongy. Next, yeast is generally used in commercial bakery industry. Point number 1. The yeast used for commercial purposes has a high nutritive value in the form of vitamins, fats, carbohydrates, proteins as well as minerals, which makes bread and other products very nutritive. Not only that, students, some products such as vinegar, monosodium glutamate, Ajinomoto म्हणतात त्याला, and soya sauce, they are also prepared by the microbial fermentation. That's it. Are you okay? हे झालं ब्रेडची हिस्ट्री. म्हणजे आज काय काय शिकलो? We learned something called as probiotics and we learned something called as bread. आता पुढचा vinegar. Vinegar is used worldwide. सगळी जगभर वापरला जातो. Why? To impart sour taste to food products. Vinegar is generally used as a preservative. Vinegar हा preservative म्हणून वापरला जातो. In sauce, ketchup, pickles, jams, etc. हा एक generally preservative म्हणून वापरला जातो. What is vinegar? Vinegar is nothing but 4% acetic acid. तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर 4% acetic acid म्हणजे बाकीचे 96% काय? तर water. That is called 4% acetic acid. म्हणजे you take water and water 96% contribution and 4% acetic acid. The mixture together, the liquid, the solution together forms what is called as vinegar. Are you okay? For today I will stop. We'll continue tomorrow again. Bye. What's up?